What's happening, fellow amigos? I'm S30 BMX and welcome back to the channel again. I'm off to Offset for a little bit of TLC on my own car for a change. I've got a really faint, annoying rattle on the front suspension somewhere. Sounds like a drop link. It has been driving me nuts for months. So I ordered them this week. They've came in and I'm finally going to put some new drop links on it, and hopefully I think that should be the issue solved. But we'll find out. And then I've got Becca's twin sister Lucy. I've got to quickly do her discs and pads on our A45 for her, and then see what else we get up to. Strap. 3H height sensors in place, and the item hopefully of concern that we get to replace. These things here, £180 for that. Nice new shiny one. Let's see if this solves a problem. I also got sent these from Sliplow Universal Skid Plate. They're a universal rubber protection to say that goes under your splitter and your bumpers to potentially stop damaging them. I've already gone through one reasonably expensive splitter, so let's put these things on and see if they help us save some pennies. We've got Lucy's A45, brand new pads and discs fitted for her. She runs HUR cast wheels, but I'm not so sure about her splitter. It seems to have a bit missing. Hi guys. Huh? Hi. And then... Oh no, I'm the fucking... We didn't really end up filming much more. Lucy's car became a little bit of a pain in the backside. Two of her pistons on her driver's side front caliper decided to seize, so we need to get some new pistons for our brake and replace the seals in it. So that kind of put us back a little bit. We was meant to go out with Ryan while we was shooting Ross and Scott's transporters and have a bit of a laugh with those, but it's what it is. Now we're off to fill up the car because I'm on empty and grab ourselves a Nando's. While we're going to fill the car up, a few people have asked a couple of the questions. I think my car gets roughly between 300 to 350 miles to a tank. It's stage 1, so 640 horsepower roughly, give or take. We're putting it on the dyno soon. We've been driving for about 15 minutes. It's telling me I'm getting 19 miles to a gallon. The TT probably, although a stage 3 was a bit better with fuel. Power wise, stage 3 was running 620 horsepower. There is always the what's faster, is it the R8, is it the TT? Straight line, more than likely the TT will kill this, but the way this drives, I couldn't care. In my opinion, 600 horsepower on an English road is more than enough for what you can use it for anyway. She's an expensive one, boys, but she's worth it. one good thing about Shell garages. They actually have pretty good lighting. We've got the goods, ladies and gents. I have this at least once a week. That's probably going to be it from us for this one. I'm looking to change my wheels on the R8, but I'm struggling, so help me out. Get on the Rotorform website, look at the forged. Tell me if there's anything that you think that you would put on the car, and drop it in the comment section below. It's got to replace these. That is us home. I'm going to go in, chill out for the night, enjoy my Nando's. Got a few things to think about. I've got Beck's Porsche Macan. I've got a set of wheels. I've got a set of wheels on the way for it. I'm still trying to decide if I go down the route of putting a set of height adjustable springs on it, or I've got the option to bag it, which I don't believe there's been one done in the UK just yet, so it'd be pretty cool, but I don't know, we'll decide. Anyway, thank you for checking in. It may have been a little bit of a short and sweet one. If you did like the video, please hit that like, drop a comment, let me know what you think about what wheels we should put on it. Let me know what you think we should do to that. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, and peace.